this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to scan for QR codes on your Android phone. Now, the most of the time, your phone, if you just go to the camera option and go to Photos, and then you find a QR code you want to scan and open this up, you can just hover over it and this little text box will open up. Just go to it and this will open up. And this one apparently is for Wikipedia. So if that doesn't work, your phone doesn't have that as an option, you could have like a little widget up here. So if you see all these different widgets, you can scroll through here, and one of them might be for a QR code. So here it is. I have a QR code widget. I can just open this up now and scan whatever. So I can just go over here, and it looks like it scanned that QR code, and it wants me to open it up. So let's do it one more time. I'll scan the QR code, and then it will open it up for me. And it took a picture. Here it is. Open up with Google Chrome. Boom. Now the other way we can do this is if we go to the Google Play Store and then go to search, type in QR code, space code, and we can get a QR code scanner. So just find one that doesn't have a lot of ads. So this one's 4.8 with 1 million downloads. Install it, and then it'll do the same thing. So if you don't have it installed on your phone somewhere, just do one of these, and it'll be the same thing. It'll be scanned. So just scan it on your phone now, and you should be able to open up the link. So your phone's set on the camera, the widget, or download it from the Google Play Store. And this one is good. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below.